have presence in each city of the Philippines, every corner of the streets, covering all directions, north, west, east, and south. Their influence also extends beyond the country's borders, with a notable presence in countries such as Japan, Australia, Europe, the Middle East, and the USA. They are known to be notorious and reputable at the same time.
So represent your brown, not the blue, not the red, or brown. Represent Pilipinas.
They are the biggest street organization in the country, with local authorities referring to them as the MS-13 of the Philippines in the early 2000s. In today's time, after 3 decades of dominating the country streets, True Brown Style 13 or TBS-13 now aims to shift the public's perception of the organization into a more positive one.
We are brown. TBS tayo, True Brown Style. No blood, no creep.
Nabang-abang ako mga kapatid. Yes, sir.